depth of the center, where shadows collide, I found a view I couldn't hide. A whisper of concern, a silent regret, each echo a promise I won't forget. Fear builds its castles tall and wide, but smiles slip through where they can't reside. Listen close to the cracks in the sound, where the lost and the found all circle around. Detail by detail, the picture appears, a mosaic of smiles stitched with fear. Every concern, like a thread pulled tight, weaves the regret into the fabric of night. But your smile was the needle piercing through, fear unraveling in shades of you. The details I missed, now vivid, now clear. Your voice breaks the silence, your laughter's near. Listen close to the cracks in the sound, where the lost and the found all circle around. Detail by detail, the picture appears, a mosaic of smiles stitched with fear. The frost on the window, a map of the soul, the pieces we broke now making us whole. The weight of the winter, the bite of the air, is only the canvas for the warmth we share. We are the architects of the cold, finding the fire in stories untold. Stitched with fears, the mosaic is breathing. Stitched with the winter is ending, the silence is mending in the cracks of the sound.